What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is episode 2 of the Marlborough Sounds series, and today we are using that mullet that we caught, and we're going to be dropping off our flashery out here, just out in the middle of the bay, and so we'll just drop it off now. There you go. So yeah, just let it sink, and then I'll go back to the beach, leave my rod and the rod holder on the kayak, and then just wait for something to bite. So hopefully we'll get into a couple fish. Probably gonna be either sharks. So what we do here is we just switch that over so it's on free spool, and yeah, so going for sharks, cod, gurnard, anything like that. So yeah, let's go. Right. Oh, my foot. Well, I guess I'm soaked now. So, I'll just pull this up a bit. And get the rod. Turn that free spool off. Wind up the tension. And we'll just leave it in the rod holder. Like that. Oh, I've got a fish already. Or a bite at least. Oh, look at that. Yeah, he's biting it good. Jeez. Alright, that's about 30 seconds. Okay, come on, mate. Alright, he's on it. Come on. Got him. That's a nice fish. Oh. Feels like a shark. Ooh. Yep, he's quite heavy. I don't think he'd be massive because I've got quite a heavy sinker on, but I mean, he's not small. He's got a bit of weight to him. He's rubbing against the rocks. Got to get him up. He's fighting a bit. Oh, he might have come off. Oh no, he hasn't. Definitely not. He's just swimming towards me. Oh, yeah, he's heavy. Oh. It's probably a good 40 centimetres, I'd say, whatever this is. Oh. Oh. I don't know what it is, but I'm guessing it's a shark. Oh. That'd be my best bet. He's swimming towards me again. Oh, now he's not. Oh, now he's swimming away. Oh, there he goes. Came right up to the surface. Don't know what that is. Might be a... Whoa. It is a huge dogfish, I think, if I'm correct. Oh, he's wrapped himself up a bit, but big dogfish. Yep, it's got the spines there, so you can tell it's a dogfish. So I'll get the hook off and I'll let him go because they're not very good to eat. Right, that was a very successful start, so let's see if we can get into a couple more. And drop. Alright, see you at the beach. Alright. Get that over. One half of it. You can see the rod there. I think it'll be a carpet shark. Eh? I think it's a carpet shark. I think it's a fish. Oh no! No, give me a fish. That was a pull. Look at the bend, it's not a sinker, Dad. I've got a long way to wind. Oh! It's gotta be a shark. Oh, it's a massive fish. Ugh. It's so... it'll be a shark, I think. Yeah, it's fighting now. It's definitely on, I know that. It's a dogfish. No, it's a grey boy. A little grey boy. Yep.
Careful of its spine and teeth.
They don't have spines.
They do have teeth, mate. Big one.
Yeah, they do have teeth.
You can, well, depending what you want to do, you could cook that.
Yeah, I might.
If it's a bit bigger,
Yeah.
you hook it on the tail.
No, it's in the mouth and then it's wrapped around the tail now. Man, he fought hard for being that small. There we go. Nice. I'll get him back then. Later, mate. Swimming the wrong way, buddy. There we go. Alright, last trip. Last trip of the day. Hopefully we can get into another good one. That last one was huge. Sorry about all the noise, but yeah, that was probably my biggest dogfish ever. But there's a bit of wind coming, so I'll just see you back at the beach. Alright, one more fish hopefully. Alright, we're getting some bites. Okay, he's going to be on now. Right. Alright, I'll wind it up. Come on, mate. Don't know where he went. Oh, he's back. Yep, we're on. This is big. No! Oh, come on. Okay, still on. Must have just been snagged a bit. He's swimming this way or he's off. Please tell me. Yep, he's still on. Okay. Come on, mate. Oh. Oh. I'm guessing this is a dogfish again, but it's definitely a big one. Yep. I think so. I'll try not to. Oh, it was probably the same as the last one.
That was big, eh?
Yeah.
Tell you what, if it's not a rig, I will be in. Jump into the
I think it's a dogfish, but he's coming close now.
Yep.
There we go. He's swimming over.
You say? You want to meet?
No, here we go. He's swimming over there.
What is it?
He's swimming over that way now. There he is.
It's got dots on it. What's that?
Yeah, it'll be a dogfish then. Oh, that's a big one though. Woo!
Is it a doggy? I'm just looking for it.
Yeah, it's a dogfish. Bugger.
Oh. Good fun though, buddy.
Yeah, that was awesome. Another mean fish. There's a dogfish, but it's a big one at that. Probably not as big as the last one, but he's still pretty big. Come on, mate. You just gotta watch out for the spines. They've got spines on their fins, which I'll show you in a minute. Come on. Oh, I have to take him up on here. Come on. Cooperate, buddy. Alright, hook's out. We'll get him home. Look at this beast of a fish. Whew. Let me hold you. Great fish there. And this guy is going home. Come on, mate. There he goes. Later, mate.